Grain markets were weaker in today's trade, with corn, soybeans, and wheat all losing ground. At the close, May corn was a half a cent lower to settle at $4.31. The new crop December contract, well, it lost 2 cents today, settling at $4.67 and a quarter. May soybeans settled 13 and a quarter cents lower to $11.45. The new crop November contract fared slightly better, losing just 8 and 3/4 cents to settle at $11.58 and a half. July Chicago wheat, which is now the most actively traded Chicago contract, settled 2 and 3/4 cents lower to $5.64 and 3/4. Yesterday's crop progress report showed the U.S. corn crop is 6% planted. That is up 3% from last week. Soybean planting was estimated to be 3% complete. That's 2% ahead of the average pace for this time of year. Spring wheat is 7% planted. Good to excellent conditions for winter wheat were reported at 55%. That was down 1% from last week, but in line with expectations and nearly double of what it was last time at this year. Now, weather will continue to be monitored closely. Recent rains in some areas have likely been welcomed for those in need of moisture, but it may also be causing some very minor planting delays. Weekly export inspections for corn were reported at 1.33 million metric tons. That was in line with expectations. Inspections for soybeans came in at 433,000 metric tons, also in line with expectations. And for wheat, inspections came in at 551,000 metric tons. This was actually above the top end of estimates.